So we're gonna pick up some oats today, $3.78 here, and price matching them for $2 each. Alright, we're in the peanut butter section. So I have coupon for Jif, $1 off any peanut butter, and then it's $1 off on checkout 51 as well. So when you do the math, it ends up being $2.99 for the 1 kilo containers, and then $1.98 for the smaller ones, the 500 grams. But you get better bang for your buck to get the larger one. So you pay a little bit more, but you get more product. So we're gonna do that. Okay, we're in the jam section. So same coupon on this side. It's $1 off Smuckers, $3.48 for the 500 ml. But it's only $3.48 for the raspberry ones. Strawberry ones are still regular priced at $4.98. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these. I can claim them up to 5 times on checkout 51. So you'll get $1 off coupon and then $1 off on checkout 51, making these $1.48. And then upload your receipt when you buy any of the 2, and you get a little Jif peanut butter spoon. Cute. Grapes are 97 cents a pound at No Frills this week. So we'll grab a bag. I'm gonna be price matching $1.88 a pound at No Frills. Going to be price matching 97 cents at No Frills. I'm going to grab 2 of them. Perfect. Going to be price matching 88 cents a pound at Food Basics. With avocado toast this week and a couple tomatoes. I'll be price matching $1.27 a pound at No Frills. $0.77 at No Frills. So I'm gonna grab 4 of them, which you can price match 4 max. Good afternoon, frugal friends. I am back with my weekly shop for us, for our family. So I'm just going to give you a breakdown of what I paid using coupons and collecting points and price matching here in Toronto. I shopped, this is from 2 different stores. Majority is from Real Canadian, and then the pizza is from Healthy Planet. So we'll start here on the left side. First things first, these hand sanitizers, as I was leaving the store, I always, if I have anything to put through on checkout 51, there's like a little ledge, like right by the stairs, about like when you're about to leave to go down the escalators. So I was sitting there taking photos for my checkout 51, and I found these like just kind of tucked in there. So I was like, sick, 2 free hand sanitizers. So that is not part of our total at all today. Just so you know, those are just freebies, but I thought I would start off there. So jam, Let's see here. So original price is $3.48. I did not have to price match as that was the cheapest, so I got 6 of them. Peanut butter, original price $5.98 for the 1 kilogram. So I price matched Fortinos for $4.99 each. And I had a coupon for $1 off of the jam and a coupon for $1 off of the peanut butter. And then Checo 51 also has a promotion for $1 off of each as well. So it's $2 off each. And then they also have like Jif and Smuckers has a thing where if you upload your receipt to their website, they will send you like a peanut butter spoon thing that they have. So that's just a little added spoon that I'll be receiving, which is cute. The cucumbers here, so they are originally $1.28, and I price matched them for 99 cents each. The beans, this is like the huge cans, the 796 mils. This I didn't have to price match. They were 98 cents each. So I got 6 chickpeas and 1 of the kidney beans. So yeah, didn't have to price match that. The garlic, originally it was 88 cents each, and I price matched them for 77 cents. The raspberries, originally $4.48, and I price matched for $1.88. That's a very big difference in price. So I got 4 of them, as you're allowed to price match up to 4 of the same UPC code. Actually, speaking on that, the cashier tried to give me a hard time saying that I couldn't price match the GIFs because I had 6 and they only price match 4. I do want to let you guys know, do stand your ground when cashiers are trying to tell you that you can't. Like, don't be rude about it, obviously, but do let them know that the rule of thumb is the codes, like the barcodes, are different for every flavor. So I am able to get 4 of the dark roast, I am able to get 4 of the creamy original, and I am able to get 4 of the crunchy. In this case, I got 2 of each, so I'm well within my rights of getting that. What she tried to say no, and when she called customer service to confirm, I was indeed correct. So if they try to let you, if they try to say no, just please ask for someone like a manager or something to come through. The other thing too, I get this a lot. Cashiers will look at the coupons and they will see 1 per purchase, and they will not allow you to use it like several in your transaction. So you also have to remind them that the wording is a little iffy. 1 per purchase means 1 per item purchase. I cannot use 2 coupons on 1 item. Now, if there are some coupons that say 1 per transaction, now that means that if I'm buying all 6 and I have a $1 off coupon and it says 1 per transaction, I can only use 1 of those coupons for these 6 items. So in that case, obviously you would do 6 separate transactions to use your coupons, but the wording is a little iffy. 1 per purchase means 1 per item. 1 per transaction means 1 per the entire transaction. So sometimes you will get that from cashiers, and just in a very polite way, just remind them that this is how the wording is. Bananas, we get a lot of bananas in this house. A, because we love them, and B, I love making cookies. Like, this is my egg replacement in a lot of my baking is bananas. I didn't have to price match them. They're 57 cents a pound. The broccoli crowns, originally $1.48 at Real Canadian, and I price matched them for 88 cents each. The grapes here, originally $2.98 a pound, and I price matched them for 97 cents a pound. Red peppers, let's see here, originally $2.98 a pound, and I price matched them for $1.88 a pound. The strawberries, didn't have to price match them. They were the cheapest. This is a 2-pound package. I could have price matched $2.50 for the 1-pound packages, but it was just cheaper to get the 2-pound for $4.48. Let's see here. We did our peppers. Apples back here. Originally $1.98 a pound, price matched for $1.27. Tomatoes, originally $1.68 a pound, price matched for 88 cents a pound. Lettuce, originally $2.48, price matched for $1.49. Cilantro, regular price 77 cents for the bunch. The pizza here from Healthy Planet. So Real Canadian does not price match Healthy Planet, but the Healthy Planet is right by my house. So they were having a sale, 3 day of pizzas for $15, making them $5 each. They were originally $9.99 each. So $5 a pizza, and then I had a $1 off coupon for each day of product, so that made them $4 each. And then the oats here, let's see, originally $3.78, and I price matched $2 each, and these are the 1 kilo packages as well. And then the yogurts, $3.28 originally. They were on sale for $1.78, I believe. So I got 2. I had a $1 off coupon for each Yogo Canadian Harvest product. And then they had an in-store offer for 250 points per product as well. So that was an additional 50 cents off for the 2. So that is my haul. So points made for this entire haul wasn't very much. It was $1.70 in points. Checo 51 for the peanut butter and the jam was $12 back in total. Eclipsa for, what was it? It was for the strawberries, the peppers, and I want to say the lettuce, if I'm not mistaken. So it was for 3 items. I got back 75 cents. And then there's an app that I will be making a video about, where essentially they have you, every single day they put out different things for you to do at select stores, and they will pay you, like you pay for the item up front and you do a review, and they will reimburse you for the product, so you get it for free, but they also give you like $3 or $4 extra for your time and your review. So this morning's was a latte at Tim Hortons. So as I was driving to do my my groceries, like driving on my way to Royal Canadian, I made money for my latte. So I paid for my latte, but then I ended up making $3.36 for drinking my latte. So I included that in today's total. So original total for everything, not including the coffee, actually, I should have included that. So I guess that would have been $183. Yeah. $183.50 was the grand total for everything. Coupons, I used $17 worth of coupons. So it was $12 worth of coupons for the peanut butter and jam, $2 worth of coupons for the yogurts, and then $3 worth of coupons for the pizzas. And let's see. So yeah, gave you the total already. And I ended up paying $88.57. I, again, didn't actually pay for it because I have I have tons of PC points to use now. But technically I did pay $88 because the PC points that I used, I've already accounted those points for my first original hauls. So I can't obviously account it twice. Like, you don't make points twice, you make points once. But I have tons of points, so I use them for today's. So I technically didn't actually pay anything today, but I kind of did. It's a little confusing, but anyways, $88.57, but the original total was $183. So it's $100 of savings for our weekly grocery haul. If you guys have any questions at all, please let me know. I will leave the link for my link tree down below, and that's where you can find the link to get the... Sorry guys, my phone cut me off there. I'm going to leave a link in my link tree for the printable coupons for the day of pizzas. All the other coupons I used were in-store coupons that I found. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'd love to help you out with any questions you might have. Bye guys.